In a remote valley, a compass and curiosity guide a curious student through essential survival practices learned from nature. They study shelter building, water sourcing, and edible plants, turning every observation into practical skills for real-world resilience. The journey frames nature as a patient mentor, teaching rhythm, patience, and problem-solving without relying on gadgets. Urban teens connect with forests through short, hands-on sessions that blend science, storytelling, and local ecology. By dawn, they carry confidence, a map of skills, and a renewed respect for the wild as a living classroom.